Hi folks, we continue with our master page tutorial because there are quite a few more things to learn here. Here is our master pages and the rest of the document pages, and I'm gonna pick a star and draw a star here. Okay, now we can manipulate the star by selecting the node tool any way we like. Okay, we can increase the shape, decrease its size, and we can turn it around. We can do all sorts of things. But if I pick up the move tool and try to do the same to this blue star, I can do nothing. The same with this yellow rectangle. Why these are not editable? Because they are a part of the master page. They come from master page. The lesson here is this. Nothing that is on a master page can be edited on or deleted from a document page. And that's the takeaway. Now, to know what kind of a master page is attached, assigned to which document page is very easy. You just bring your pointer on top of a page that you select. And how do you know you select a page? There is this gray rectangle around selected pages. And here's a tooltip that tells you Master B is attached to this page. Master A is attached to this one. Now, when you right-click on a given document page, there are two master page actions that you can take. You can either apply the master or clear the masters. Let's click clear the masters. And here on page 2 and 3, now they are clean. We don't have any master pages. And again, to apply a master, we click apply the master, and in the apply master dialog box you have choices. You can apply master A as selected from the drop down list to either pages 2 and 3, to even pages, odd pages, all the pages in the document, or current spread. Spread is like a subsection of a whole document, which we will cover in another video. So let's select the specified pages, and there's this replace existing checkbox. We leave it on, so when we click OK, what do we have? We have Master A pages applied to these two document pages. Now, we can apply more than one master page to the very same document page. Let's see, we have, as you can see here, Master C with blue bars on top and page numbers at the footer. And we have Master D, which is the same with the exception of a different color in these bars. So let's say we selected pages 4 and 5 and we want to apply blue top bars, header bars to this page. So we can go apply master and we select Master C, but we don't want to replace the existing master pages. We want to add to it. Therefore, you have to uncheck this checkbox. Then we click OK. And here is what happened. This is the star that comes from Master B. This is the blue bar and page number that comes from Master C. And our star that we added ourselves manually. So this page you're looking at is a combination of three things. Master A, let's see, Master C, Master C, Master B, and what we added manually. Now, when things get out of hand, we can clear everything by right-clicking and selecting Clear Masters. All of a sudden, we will have all master page components deleted except what we added by manually ourselves. Now, nothing that we add manually to a document page can be added automatically to a master page. And the advantage of a master page is, imagine you have applied this master page, and if you right click on a master page, you can select apply master, okay, and whatever change you make in a master page will be automatically cascade through the document. You don't need to go one by one to each page and make that change. That's the advantage and power of using master pages. We will continue to our look at Affinity Publisher in the next video. Take good care.